Hey, are you also a 10th grader and you are having lots of backlogs to cover and you are really not able to find out the best techniques to cover all of them in a shorter period of time? And if yes, then you're in the right video. Make sure to watch till the end because this video is gonna be a life saver for you in terms of backlogs. And for other problems solution, you can subscribe to this channel for more such amazing and informative content. So, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So, for your better understanding and clarity, I have divided this particular topic into three chapters. Chapter number 1: What are backlogs? So, backlogs are all the pending chapters, notes, lectures, or homework we couldn't complete. Maybe due to illness, stress, or simply life issues, or anything it can be. But here's a term most of us don't hear, which is kinetic backlogs. So these are basically those tasks that keep growing because we delay them. Like when one undone math chapter becomes 3 and then 5. Kinetic means movements, and here the backlogs moves in the wrong direction unless we take charge. And here it brings us to the chapter number 2, which is why backlogs happen. They happen when we are juggling school, tuition, family, and honestly, emotions too. Maybe you told yourself I'll do it tomorrow, and that tomorrow never showed up. And it's okay because what matters now is not how you fell behind, but how we will rise gently. And yeah, here we come to the chapter number 3, which is how to clear backlogs. And for your better understanding, I have divided it into 7 simple and easy steps. So let's begin. On number 1, it is brain dump it. That means list everything, every chapter, topic, subjects you have left behind. No order, no judgment, just write them down. On number 2, prioritize like a pro. Some chapters are more urgent for an upcoming test or because they are fundamental, or you can do like circle them and then prioritize and complete those first. On number 3, we have break it down. One chapter will have 4 to 5 contents or you can say concepts, and one concept will take hardly 30 to 40 minutes to complete. So give each concept everyday time for 30 to 40 minutes and you're easy to go with. Number 4, we have follow the 1+1 rule. That means do one current topic along with one backlog topic every day. This way you won't fall behind again while catching up. On number 5, we have use the Pomodoro technique, which is 25 minutes study followed by 5 minutes break. Light a candle, grab your notes, play soft music, and you're good to go. On number 6, we have be kind to yourself. You have missed a session. Forgive yourself now. Backlogs clear faster with calm energy, not with guilt. And the number 7th is that track progress visually. Use checkbox, pastel planners, or digital trackers. Seeing yourself progress feels like magic. Now, once all these 3 chapters are clear to you, you're good to go and clear up or cover up all of your backlogs, and you have to make sure that you implement these techniques, and in further times you won't have other backlogs as well. And now as we are here at this end of the video, so you need to listen to what I am saying right now. So here it goes. You are not running out of time, you are just beginning to manage it. Slowly, softly, and smartly. Clear your space, clear your mind, clear those backlogs. You have got this. Okay, so here this amazing video comes to an end. Now, You need to comment down and let me know that which subjects backlogs are you guys having, along with that which particular technique from this video have helped you. Also, if this video even helped you a bit, then don't forget to hit the like and share it with your friends and subscribe as well, yeah? And always remember that you are not alone, we are in this together.